Hello guys, my name is Nico and today I will show you how to clean an octopus. This octopus today is massive one, big. 7 kilo and 700 gram. Massive. So here is the head, the eyes, mouth, and the eye. So first, we remove the mouth, the teeth. Next step, remove the eye, like that. All we need is just one knife, a sharp knife. And we kill the head, like that. We remove everything from inside. Like that. Here is the ink. If you like the ink, you can save it. It's here inside. And now we have to remove the skin of the head, like that. So when we go to cook it, it will be softer. We pull it out. That's it. This octopus coming from Spain, big size. So we cut the head in the middle, like that. And we make separate all the legs. One, two, three, four, five, six, 7, 8. By the way, make a comment if you ever try octopus, and if you like octopus. So look at the legs, very big, good size. So yeah guys, if you like this kind of videos, make one like, one comment and subscribe, and see you next time.